friends, in this video I will show you how to replace the battery on uninterruptible power supply of Schneider Electric BVS500I. So first rotate it to the bottom side and unscrew the 5 screws we see here. The 5 screws, then lift up the cover panel, and here is our battery. It's very easy, just unplug the cables, then plug the new cables. Place the battery to its place, place the top cover, then rotate it and screw back the 5 screws. And that's it. So thank you very much. Good luck.